Having trouble with Pokémon Go routes? They may not appear or track properly due to GPS, internet, or nearby routes issues. In this video, show 10 easy fixes to get them working again. Part 1. Why are Pokémon Go routes not working? No routes nearby, weak internet, GPS errors, outdated app, server issues, route limits, missing permissions, or in-game bugs can stop routes from working. Part 2. Fix Pokémon Go routes not working with 11 general solutions. Way 1. Inspect device compatibility. Way 2. Check the internet connection. Way 3. A login Pokémon Go account. Way 4. Clear cache. Way 5. Update Pokémon Go. Way 6. Adjust location settings. Way 7. Verify server status. Way 8. Reset GPS. Way 9. Travel farther and check if the route appears. Way 10. Disable battery saver mode. Way 11. Contact Pokémon Go support. Part 3. The most desirable way for auto walk in Pokémon Go without moving. Don't want to create Pokémon Go routes but still want progress? Virtual Location Tool simulates movement, sets routes, controls speed, and helps hatch eggs, catch Pokémon, and complete tasks safely on iOS or Android. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing a reliable location spoofer on your computer. After the installation is finished, open the software and choose the Get Started option. Step 2. Then, connect your iPhone or Android device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device. Select Teleport mode, and either type in your desired location in the search bar or enter specific coordinates. Step 3. Lastly, click Move to set the new location. Once this is done, a notification stating completed will appear, and your device along with Pokémon Go will quickly update. To show the new location settings,